boy? Do you want some chicken? Do you want chicken? Yeah? You want chicken? Okay, sit. Sit. I know you're excited. Sit. Sit. You want your chicken? Okay, sit. 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 Good boy. This is the chicken I'm giving him. It's baked. Leftover chicken. Good boy, you're waiting for your treats, huh? You want more? You want more chicken? Yeah? Okay. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Yeah, you like your chicken treats, don't you? Lucky your mama made it. You're just all comfy there waiting for your treats. Good boy. Come here. Ven. Ven. Oh, good boy. You stayed. You want more chicken? You want more chicken? Yeah? Yeah? You want more chicken, boy? Yeah? Yeah? Come here. Come here. Come get the chicken. It's in my hand right now. Come on. Come here. Before I smack you. Come on. It's right here. I'm letting you come at it. Oh, you're so small. Okay, up. Come here. Oh, you're just being nice now, aren't you? Okay, let's see what it does for a treat. I didn't even have to tell you to sit. Good boy. Yum. Yum, yum. Come on, don't be shy. Look at cute little puppy. Okay, here you go. Here's the rest of the chicken. Have fun. Ándale. What the hell? Anyway. That's it, boy. That's it. That's it. Good boy.